Hey guys, what's up? So Samsung is about to announce the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra next month. And while the Note 20 Ultra is a proper flagship, the Galaxy Note 20 has way too many compromises to count as a flagship. Instead, it may be categorized as a flagship killer with not so flagship killer pricing. You see, when we first heard that the Galaxy Note 20 won't have a curved display and the resolution will be capped at 1080p, also the display won't have a 120Hz refresh rate, you would assume that the phone will be priced significantly cheaper than the Galaxy S20, which has all of these features. On top of that, the phone might have a camera setup which is identical to the S20 Plus with no periscope zoom. With these specifications, you would assume the handset might cost somewhere between $700 to $800, but guess what? Samsung has different plans. It seems like Samsung hasn't learned anything from the poor sales of the Galaxy S20 series, which is one of the highest priced flagships this year, and is planning to price the Galaxy Note 20 at $1,000, while the Note 20 Ultra might be priced at $1,300. ICE Universe, while predicting the price of the Galaxy Note 20, said that pricing an Android phone with a 1080p 60Hz screen and a regular camera at $1,000 in 2020 should be considered a scam, and I couldn't agree more. While the Note 20 Ultra costing somewhere around $1,299 is still okay, given it has the newer LTPO backplane, the S Pen, 120Hz refresh rate and an improved periscope camera system over the S20 Ultra, the Galaxy Note 20 at $1,000 is just insane. If Samsung is going to price these handsets so high, I think they are digging their own grave. I mean, even Apple is rumored to reduce the price of the entry-level iPhones this year, then what is Samsung even thinking? This on top of the fact that these phones won't be upgraded to the next version of Android after just 2 years of launch, while the iPhones will be supported for at least 4 to 5 years, makes it even worse. Anyway, these are in no way the official prices and we'll have to wait just a bit longer for those, but I hope Samsung doesn't commit the same mistake again. Also, according to South Korean media, the Galaxy Note 20 might be available on the 21st of August after a fortnight of being announced, but the pre-orders may begin the same on next day. Moving on, we also have the charging capabilities of the Galaxy Fold 2, which might get a 25W fast charger in the box similar to the Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus, or even the Note 20 for that matter, up from the 15W charger bundled with the original Fold. The phone has recently passed the 3C certification process. We already know the battery capacity of the phone at 4365 mAh, which is similar to the 4380 mAh on the Galaxy Fold, so it should charge the phone faster than its predecessor. With the kind of price the Galaxy Fold 2 might be offered at, you would assume it will get the fastest charging capability available from Samsung, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Also, Samsung might be planning to launch a smartphone with the biggest built-in battery ever at 7000 mAh. The Galaxy M41, which might be released soon, may get a battery capacity rated at 6800 mAh, while the typical capacity may be at 7000 mAh. That's a huge battery, almost as large as some tablets. Just imagine the insane battery life one might get with such a big battery inside a budget phone with not so demanding hardware. While the battery capacity is top notch, the phone might still get the same 15W charger that Samsung has been bundling with its phones for years. This would probably take more than 3 hours to charge it completely from 0 to 100%, so you are better off charging it overnight. But once you charge it, you should be good to go for 3 to 4 days of moderate use and at least 2 days of heavy use, which is just awesome. The phone might also get an OLED panel from China Star, which is a subsidiary of TCL, that also makes it the first Samsung phone to have a non-Samsung display. While Samsung Display is the best OLED manufacturer, they are one of the costlier options, and by opting for a panel sourced from a Chinese brand, Samsung can decrease the cost of manufacturing the phone. Also in the news, we finally have the launch date of the OnePlus Nord. We have the poster of the phone's launch date being teased on Amazon India, courtesy of Twitter user Vignesh Gunasekharan. The page doesn't seem to be live now, but according to the poster, the phone might be launched on the 21st of July itself, which coincides with the launch of the final part of the 4-part documentary for the OnePlus Nord. We still don't have a date for the pre-order for India, so what are your thoughts on this? That's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about the pricing of the Note 20 down in the comments. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.